Hello kids, today we are coloring rainbow colors in watermelon slices. So let's start. This is a red color. Wow, it looks so good. How many slices of watermelon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 watermelon slices. We will color it. This is red color. Wow, it's so awesome. Now we finish it. So let's color the another watermelon slice. Look, it's a blue color. Now we are coloring blue color in watermelon slice. 1, 2. Blue color is looks so good. Wow. I like coloring so much. I love trying. Blue color is so beautiful. We done it. Now we start another slide with yellow color. It's a yellow color. Yellow color looks so good. Awesome. Rainbow slices of watermelon. So it's a yellow color. Now we counting again watermelon slices. 1, 2, 3. 3 slices. Done in color. Wow, it looks so cute. This is a green color. Now we are coloring green in watermelon slice. Now we are counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 watermelon slices. Now we are coloring green in watermelon slice. It's a green color. Awesome. It looks so cute. Now we finished it. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 watermelon slices done in color. Now next slice we coloring purple in next watermelon slice. Wow, watermelon slices are 6. Now count again with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 watermelon slices in color. In rainbow color. The purple color. We are coloring in watermelon slice purple color. It looks so cute. Awesome. Now it's complete. Now count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watermelon slices done in color. Now we are coloring pink in watermelon slice. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the pink color. Now we are coloring pink in watermelon slice. Pink color looks so cute. Wow, colorful rainbow watermelon slices. Awesome. Kids, count with me again. How many slices of watermelon? These are six. One red, blue, two yellow, three green, four purple, five pink, six. Six watermelon colorful slices. Now we done it. Okay, okay kids. See you in next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.